Hey guys, it's Anna. Welcome to my kitchen, my most favorite place on earth next to the ocean. I just got back from paddling and I decided I'm gonna make something for a snack because I wanna eat something. Anyways, if I told you that this is now what my oven looks like, you're gonna be whatever. You gotta be kidding me. The truth of the matter is, this is my oven now. This is where I'm gonna bake pineapple upside down cake. Why do I love this? This is from Salad Master, by the way. I am a new owner and I am obsessed about it. Now, you know what? When we bake our stuff in the oven, you have to heat it for about 15 minutes, 350 degrees, right?
You have to heat up that big space right there, and then you gotta put it in your pan, grease it, wax it, flour it, all those shebang. Well, I'm gonna show you a different way of cooking. It's so easy, and you would wonder why I'm obsessed about it.
Okay, here's the other thing. When we're baking, we need eggs, oil, water. Well, guess what? We're just gonna be using, right here, 2 eggs. 2 eggs. I'm gonna be using carrots, and zucchini, and a half bag of white cake mix, vanilla cake mix, any cake mix. All right, so in this pan, I am just going to put about a tablespoon or so, or even less, of melted butter, because I want my pineapple a little bit caramelly. So we're just gonna put that and layer it at the bottom of the pan like so. Just swirl it around like that, not too much. We're still having a little butter, a little sugar, but it definitely is a reduced amount compared to what we usually cook with. Now I also have about a 1/4 cup of brown or red sugar that we're just gonna, again, put on the pan like so. Just do it like that. You see, I'm not even gonna use the whole thing. I just want to cover the bottom with
Flavor. Okay? Perfect. There you go. Now we have that sugary, buttery sweetness that will make the cake so much better. Now, we're gonna get your pineapple slices, and I'm just gonna get that, put that at the bottom, like so. Okay, so I have about 4 pieces. Well, let's make it 5 for good measure. Now, I am using the 9-inch, actually, is this 9-inch? Yes, this is the 9-inch pan, right? Voila. And let me see here. Let me just...
All right, here it is, kids. Oh my goodness, look at that. I loosened the sides just to make sure that I have a clean turn over. Yes. How am I supposed to do it? No, I am supposed to put the plate over it and then flip it over. All right, let's hope that this comes out clean and not bad. Check that out. This one stuck a little, but that's okay. It's not the end of the world. There you go. Put that little bit there, and I am going to put this one over here. And ladies and gentlemen, may I present to you the pineapple upside down cake. Look at that beauty. Woo! Now tell me, did I need a gigantic oven to show you that you can make this just like this? It's Anna. Thank you for joining me as I show you how I cook the newest, most favorite cookware system that I just owned recently. I am here to prepare dinners for you and show you how it's cooked. I'm going to tell you or talk to you about nutrition, flavor, cost, savings, and how to put money back in your pocket. Call me, message me on Facebook. Can't wait to show you this one. Bye now. You have a great day, as always. Here you go. My pineapple upside down cake. Oh my goodness. It is so moist. It's not overly sweet. It just has the right amount of sweetness. I get my veggie fix too. Oh my Lord. Try it. Come over and I'll make it for you. By the way, this one, you can get this for free. Call me. I promise you. I'll show you how. We share the love, you know. Have a great day.